I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to connect MariaDB with HeidiSQL. So first here, opening this place, MariaDB. So MariaDB client, MariaDB, this is the version 12 is there. Now let's give this password. So MariaDB here, welcome to MariaDB monitor command, this 12 version server that's connected there. The next is, let's open the HeidiSQL. So first you need to click on this new. So when you click on this new, this come there. So MariaDB here you need to select. So MariaDB MySQL TCP IP, that's fine. Here or library, that's fine. Then after the next is here hostname and IP address. So hostname you can give localhost or you can give your IP address. So this is the localhost IP address is there. After that, root is the user and give their password. Now I'm going to find what exactly is the port for MariaDB. So for this one, we need to use this query. Use this query, thereafter paste there, press enter. So here port number is 3307 is the port number for MariaDB. So we need to give here 3307. The next is here, let's click this. Here you can see on this port 3307 is the port, and here you can get this all database. So let's select here MySQL. Now let's giving here a small comment for this connection. So connecting my MariaDB with Heidi. Then after doing this one, so you can click on this open. You have this option or check for update preference, and let's click on this open. So setting unnamed word change, very curious. After that here, you can see this is successfully connected there. This place you can see unnamed and this here connecting with the MariaDB MySQL. So MySQL is the database. Here you can see this all. After that, this place MySQL is there. So you can click on this edit. So here you can give a meaningful name if you want. And here if I go on this unnamed. So this is the connection name. So you can create the new connection name. This option are available: maintenance, bulk, generate data, tree. This all is there. Okay. So you can create the database. Let's give here the database name Adam. So database that's created there. So this here. So Adam now come there. After replacing Adam, that's come there. Now then you can generate or create the tables and do so many operations. You have this option to create the tables, views, a store procedure, and many more. So this is the most simplest way we can connect your MariaDB with HeidiSQL inside or MariaDB with HeidiSQL. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.